Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Gears of War EDA multiplayer beta on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to store and inside the store search for Gears of War EDA and then click on Gears of War EDA game and then scroll down and below you will see the option join the playtest. Join the Gears of War EDA multiplayer beta. So click on join the playtest button and then you will receive a message that you can play the game, and then you will see this option play now button. So click on play now button and here you can see Gears of War EDA multiplayer beta and the file size is 62.34 GB. So click on install button. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept and then go to library, and here you can see that Gears of War EDA game is getting downloaded on my PC. So by following the same steps, I hope you can easily download or install Gears of War EDA multiplayer beta on PC with the Steam launcher for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.